Hello, beautiful people. Listen to me now. You have to get up every day with the frame of mind and tell yourself, say, you are all that and more. Yeah, you're a bag of chips. Because if you are dependent on certain people to tell you that you look nice, you smell nice, and you conduct yourself right, if you're waiting for some people to give you those form of compliments, my dear, you'll never get it. You're gonna look like one of them Halloween skeleton costume there. Just to the side. They don't care. You understand me? So you have to equip yourself with a copious amount of compliments to give yourself daily. And if you can't manage to open your mouth every day and tell yourself, so put it somewhere in your apartment. Put it in a frame, write it, put it down somewhere where you must see it before you leave your house for work, for wherever you are headed out in the mornings, that you are all that and more. Yeah, you cannot be coy about these things because guess what? Nobody owes you compliments. Nobody owes you them. But you owe yourself everything that this world has to offer. And sometimes we get discouraged. Sometimes we feel demotivated. But if you tell yourself that you are all that, you can do it. You are beautiful. You're exceptional. You are worthy. Trust me, there's nothing in this world you can achieve. Do not sit down and rely on people. It's not going to happen. Yeah, I know some people. You see, I have some friends. And me know me look good all the while. Me not care what nobody else wants to say. Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. And when I look at myself, I feel beautiful. But me have some friends. Me can't know say me look good to them. You know, look bad they do. You know, look bad to them. Those are the kinds of compliment they give. Beware of those people. Yeah, man. You have to watch out for them. And that's and how you know you look bad? As you know, them tell you, they're not afraid to tell you, Lord God, oh, you look so today, I don't like that ear, I don't like that lipstick there. Something. But when you're intact, they either not say anything or they tell you, say, no, look bad today. That's not a compliment. That's not a compliment. Beware of those people. And I want you all to understand that that video, that Spice, that music video that Spice put out, it's not just about colorism, and black people hypocrisy. It's more than that. That video is sending a strong message to us that regardless of what others think about us, we must be comfortable with ourselves, within our own skin, with the clothes that we put on, whatever it is, we must be comfortable. Because guess what? No matter what we do, people are gonna always talk. Goody post up her picture now. She deleted everything and she posted up a picture. And from I saw the picture, I know that no matter what, Uncle Jesus alone could have touched Spice with holy water. I wash her food, it makes Spice could have white in no time. And the amount of horrible comments that I saw, I say, you see, people are for please. And if you listen to the woman's song, she said that, one of the most hurtful things that was ever said to her when somebody tell her such a black and dirty till it's a bad color, something to that effect, I don't remember. And I'm saying to myself, look at this. God gave her that complexion, our natural black, beautiful complexion, and she was being criticized. And she's still being criticized. All right, good to go 360 pounds, go no white, because only pound I run on white. And I'm still a complaint. I'm still because some people say you look blanch. Some people say you look like stew chicken on a brown and I go pan it. All of those derogatory comments. So guess what? It's not just about skin color. It's way, way, way more than that. I saw the message and I heard the message deeper than just the color of my skin. You understand me? Rihanna tell you, people are going to talk whether you do good or bad. Do what suits you. Do what makes you comfortable. The moment you find yourself doing things to please people, as I told you earlier in this week, people pleasing is a curse. People are going to always talk. So guess what? Me? So when I just started vlogging, they used to tell me, oh, my mouth big and it used to hurt me. Guess what? My mouth is still big. I have lips that people are paying for. Good to get them a free rate at the center. Must me come from my lip them. I'm proud of my lip them. I don't care. Make my mouth big one. I saw God want me with a big mouth. Who said probably if I had a little mouth I would have looked bad. You understand me? So just understand that you have to be your biggest fan. You have to be your biggest supporter. Compliment yourself. Love yourself. Treat yourself. You understand me? Because guess what? You are all that and more, sweetie. You're a bag of potato chips. And we all know them things that taste good. All know them say they're not good for you. We all know the chips them taste good. Ignore people. Live your life. Because guess what? You are all that and more. On that note, have a wonderful day.